Hi friends, welcome to Howtopedia. Today's video is all about how you can turn wedding invitation cards to fancy money envelopes, wedding envelopes or Shagun envelopes. I'll show you various ways you can do that with different types of envelopes. But first, let's make an envelope template. This template will come in really handy to make envelopes whenever you want. Anytime you get an invitation card, just bring this out and check if it can be turned into a nice envelope or not. So I have a couple of invitation cards here. I'll take one envelope of the card and from the side where you have that opening flap, put your template and make the marks. Follow the process shown on screen to make the envelope. Similarly, we'll make with this brown envelope too. I have made so many other such envelopes from invitation envelopes. So, what do you think about them? Sometimes you get invitation envelopes that are wider. In that case, simply put the template from again the flap side with the template side open. Follow the process on screen and you get a nice and beautiful envelope. Looks beautiful, isn't it? Now other times you get cards like these, simply do as I demonstrate. And you get a simple envelope that you can decorate with motifs, golden strips, etc. cut from old wedding cards. There are also invitation card envelopes that are long enough that can be turned into envelopes, or you can put the template like this from the closed side. Once again, follow the process on screen to make the envelope. decorate it, or you can add a string or dory too to make it look more fancy. And there you have it. Beautiful Shagun envelopes or money envelopes are ready to be given. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to How to PDF for more such content.